Okay, I just want to show you how we do a job here. So we're looking at 4 tyres on this car here. So we've got it all jacked up. We've got all the wheels off. I've already done 3, but we've got the wheels off. So we've got that there. We've got our new tyres right next to us. So that was a stack of 4. Like I said, I've already done 3. We've got our trolley here, which has everything in it to fit a tyre. So we've got all our valves, valve cores, valve caps, knife, all the bits and pieces that we need to fit one brand new tyre into our rim. And then over here we have our stack of tyres with our automatic tyre deflator. You might be able to just see on the wall there. So this is how we go about it. We do it all so it's all ready to go. Everything's within reach. And these are the improvements we've made over the years, just to make sure that we get things done in a timely manner, not fast, we're not trying to rush, we're not trying to do it as fast as possible. What we're trying to do is just make it flow nicely. So I'll go ahead now and I'll fit this tyre and show you the how we've got it dialed in now. And if you are a tyre shop, feel free to reach out and ask any questions about how we've set it up. We're not Robinson Crusoe. There's lots of companies in the world that do this sort of thing, which is under the banner of lean manufacturing. But we've just got it really implemented and dialed in really nicely. So we'll go ahead now and fit this tyre. We'll probably speed up the process, but we'll break the bead and change the tyre over. So that tyre comes off, one step onto the scrap trolley there, pick up the knife, everything's within reach, cut the valve off. We've got a new valve here, and a valve puller here. You don't need to go searching for anything. We've got a new valve in there. All goes back on the trolley. Everything, as I said, is just within reach. We don't need to walk across the room to get a new tyre. Bit of soap. Tyre back on, a new tyre on the rim with this brand new rubber valve. Take the wheel off the machine, and now we'll go over and pump it up. Okay, so that airline is the automatic inflator, so I just set it whatever PSI I need, and that sets up in the background there. I can go on with the next part, which is balancing the wheels. So again, we're not trying to show off what we've got, but we're just showing that with these small improvements, everything can be much easier. We don't have to struggle, and ultimately it's better for everybody. So that's our improvements in action.